This is a special presentation of Manny Pacquiao's Blow by Blow. Any other use of materials, photos, and accounts without MP Promotions' consent is strictly prohibited.
Nakalaman nila na bumalik ang Blue by Blue, lalo silang nagpupursige na magsipag mag-ensayo dahil may plano si Boss Manny na ganito ang gagawin niya para yung may potential gagawin niya, yung manalo, laban na laban, hanggang magkaroon tayo ng world champion na Pilipino. Mas maganda pa yan panoorin siguro sa mga 4 rounds kasi parang kumbaga sa kwan, parang sabong yan dahil sabik sa laban yan. Palagay ko basta ang boksingero na magsipag, na determinado, talaga pararating niya yan. Kasi hindi natin masasabi na magaling ako, ganito ako, boksingero ako. Kailangan gawin mo. Kasi ang boxing kasi hindi sinasabi, ginagawa talaga. Sakripisyo ka. Meron lang yung tinatawag na sipag, determinado, disiplina. Dugot pawis mong punan mo rito, kailangan determinado ka. At saka importante, Panginoon ng pag-asa. Number 1 natin. Nakikita ko dito, magiging magtatagumpay itong Blue by Blue ni Boss Manny kasi yung mga boksingero na may potensyal na dito natin ilalagay. Bago matapos, salamat mga Boss Jerry, maraming salamat. At saka Boss Manny, Senator Manny Pacquiao, maraming salamat sa pagtanggap niyo ako dito sa Blue by Blue bilang matchmaker ng Blue by Blue. Thank you! Kaya Blue by Blue, dito na kayo mga kababayan na mahilig sa boxing, mga bata, dito na tayo sa Blue by Blue.
Kasangga, it's a good day for boxing. At narito po tayo sa Mandaluyong. Maraming salamat po, Mayor Benjamin Abalos. Apaw-apaw po ang mga tao anticipating a great card of professional boxing. Yan po, nakikita po natin ang streamers, nakikita po natin yung mga tao. Sobra-sobra po, ang dami pong nais na manood at masaksiyan itong presentation natin. And this is none other than our favorite boxing show sa Barangay Mauway Executive Sports Complex in Mandaluyong City. Ang inyong programa, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Kinito Henson, at welcoming all of you to this exciting program of professional boxing. At alam po natin, si Senator Manny Pacquiao ang nag-conceptualize ng pagbabalik ng ating Blow by Blow. And this is really to be able to discover yung po mga batang boksingero who will be future world champions sa ating bayan. So maraming salamat po, 8th Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao, for making this program possible in partnership with San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Okay, ano po ang ating social media? And we encourage you to follow our Blow by Blow, Manny Pacquiao presents sa social media natin. First of all, wala po tayong 3 knockdown rule. In other words, any fighter can go down as many times as possible as long as the referee continues the fight. Ang referee po is the only authority who can stop the fight. There will be an occasion where the ringside physician may be called on to examine a fighter's wounds and he will be recommendatory. At of course, yung pangatlong rule natin, a fighter cannot be saved by the bell in any round. Unang-una sa ating programa, mapapanood po natin a 4-rounder in the light flyweight division, weight limit of 108 pounds, si Franz Carl Muiso of the VIP Lourdes South Box in Las Piñas City. Ang kalaban po niya, John Paul Perez ng King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City. And now let's take a look at the tail of the tape. Makikita po natin ang mga edad ng ating mga boksingero. 24 years old po si Muiso, 21 years old si John Paul Perez. Hindi masyado nagkakalayo ang kanilang height. One is a southpaw si Muiso, the other is a right-hander si John Paul Perez. General Santos City, ang home province po ni Muiso, at galing Batangas City naman po si John Paul Perez. Okay, that sets the stage for our first fight in Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Let's turn you over now to our ring announcer, Bobby Mondejar.
Ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi ho sa inyo lahat. Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen. Here at Barangay Mauway Executive Sports Complex, Mandaluyong City, in coordination with Barangay Captain Bernie Evangelista. By the way, all professional boxing bouts are under the regulations and supervision of the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Chairman Attorney Richard S. Clarin. Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports Division, Miss Jackie Lou Cacho Ornido. Ring Physician, Dr. Jose Rolando Rivera. And official timekeeper, Miss Hazel Mation. Ladies and gentlemen, from the dugout, Franz Carl Muiso. Ladies and gentlemen, coming out of the dugout, John Paul Perez. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing, fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 107 pounds. He's on his pro debut. Fighting out of VSP Elorde South Box, Las Piñas. Ladies and gentlemen, Franz Carl Muiso. Muiso. Right across the ring, ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 111 pounds. He's on his pro debut, fighting out of King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City. Ladies and gentlemen, John Paul Perez. Perez. Ladies and gentlemen, judges at the ringside will be Silvestre Abainza, Danilo Lopez, Engineer Greg Ortega. Third man on the ring, referee Elmer Costillas. This will be 4 rounds of boxing, professional boxing.
Okay? Maliwanag, touch glove, back heel kami. Sir Danny. Maestro. Sir.
Okay, mag-uumpisa po tayo. 4 rounds ang schedule po natin in the junior flyweight or light flyweight division. weight limit of 108 pounds. Si John Paul Perez po ay tumimbang ng 3 pounds over the limit, while Muiso 107 pounds. Ito po ang ating round girl. Pinapakita niya ang ating round number 1 placard. At napansin natin, nung nagbigay ng instructions ang ating kaibigan na referee Elmer Costillas, nag-akapan po yung dalawang boksingero. Baka nakakagulat yun. Usually, tagta-touch gloves. Pero in a gesture of sportsmanship, nag-akapan po sila dalawa. Si Muiso po ang kaliwete, fighting out of the southpaw stance. At ang kalaban po niya, si John Paul Perez in the black trunks. Mind you, mga kasangga, this is a fight between newcomers, both of them making their professional debut. Again, kung schedule lang 4 rounds natin sa halaban, it means they have to give it all they've got in every round. Kasi hindi pong matagalan itong laban natin. Makikita po natin sa mga mata ni Perez, he's looking for a knockout. Bato-bato po ang katawan ni Perez. If you notice, his muscles are very well defined. Mas malaki siya, no? Kay Muiso, sabi nga natin kanina, tumimbang siya ng 3 pounds over the limit. Oh, nice shot, right hand. Galing kay Muiso, tumama yun sa panga. Hindi naman ininda ni Perez. Muiso, trying to bring the attack over to Perez. Wild si Perez, missing and going down on a slip. Referee Costillas bringing him up. Wala pong knockdown yun. Perez, again, looking to attack, looking to come forward. At si Muiso naman magaling sa counter. Pagpasok ni Perez, nakaabag na siya. Aba! Umatake that time si Muiso, throwing that left hand. Remember, he is a left-hander. He throws that right jab, setting up his left hand. Nice right straight galing kay Perez. Neither fighter really has been able to establish any kind of control sa laban. Again, pawing with the right hand si Muiso. He's got to use that right hand as a jab. Oh, pumasok yung kaliwa ni Muiso. That was a left straight. Perez has to keep his guard up. Perez looks to be the stronger of the two. And a nice shot again by Muiso. Instead of leading off with the right jab, he comes charging in using that left straight. Kulang na kulang sa suntok si Perez. Perez that time throwing that right straight. I think that's an important weapon against a southpaw. Uy, tumama doon. Nice combination coming from Muiso. Sporadic attack ni Muiso, no? But once he goes inside, he quickly backpedals and dances away from any sort of counter or retaliation galing kay Perez. Yun na naman si Perez, coming forward, a little wild, but he's throwing haymakers. A lot of power behind those shots. Uy, tumama yun. And that's the end of round number 1. Action-packed po yan. Muiso, you see him on your screens. Hindi pa po siya umuupo. Pero si Perez nandun, nakaupo na. Remember, we are scheduled for 4. Mga bagito po ito. As we said in our intro, this is really discovery mode. Punch of the round, brought to you by San Miguel Pale Pilsen. That was a right straight, connected by Perez. And that's another right straight. And that's the punch of the round. Aba, maganda itong mga features natin. Meron po tayong slow-mo. And of course, in partnership with San Miguel Pale Pilsen, watch it again. The right straight, connected by Perez. And then from another angle, naku, tumama naman doon yung mga suntok ni Muiso. But Perez very quick to counter and bounce back. Okay, round number 2. Again, yung kaliwete na si Muiso. He hardly led off with that right jab. I think he's got to use it more. Now, we've seen 2 right jabs now connected. At tapos pagpasok ni Perez, nakaabang yung kaliwa ni Muiso. Perez has to be wary. That left hand of Muiso always cocked. He's looking to throw the left straight or the left hook. Perez. Walang masyadong depensa si Perez. Pasok ng pasok. He's hoping to be able to connect. Watch him load up. And the crowd now into it. Mukhang tumama yata sa ulo. An accidental headbutt. Referee now is checking. May sugat kaya? Looks like he's going to be calling on the ringside physician to check on that wound. An accidental headbutt dito po sa ating round number 2. Accidental headbutt. Kung sakasakali pong itigil ito, in round number 2, this will go to a no contest. In other governing bodies, it will be ruled as a technical draw. But under the modern rules of professional boxing, if this is stopped right here, it will be a no contest. Papa, okay daw, sabi ng ating ringside physician. Malayo sa bituka. Okay, time in. At eto na naman sila. There is blood coming out of that cut. It appears to be over the right eye ni John Paul Perez. Now let's see whether that cut will slow him down. Will be very cautious now to protect that yung sugat niya. And again, si Perez talagang palaban nito. Oh. He's looking to score that big punch, that knockout. He's looking for a knockout. Again, the blood coming out of that cut over the right eye. John Paul Perez. There is blood streaming down. And Muiso, palagay ko, he will use that as a target. Oh, nice right hand coming from Muiso. But then, eto, brawler ito si Perez. He's looking to intimidate Muiso. Muiso very quick on his feet, moving away from the charges of John Paul Perez. Magandang lab. Oh, nice right hand. Thrown by Muiso and connected. Snapping the head back ni Perez. And a nice counter. Left hand coming from Muiso. Perez, certainly the more aggressive of the two. Pero yung mga suntok na pumapasok, karamihan galing kay Muiso. Perez now with his mouth open. So that's a sign that medyo running out of gas na. No? And there's a lot of blood coming out of that cut over the right eye ni Perez. Papacing-pacing na lang dito, no? Si Muiso. And Perez, he's not throwing any punches. He's not as aggressive as before. Mukhang hapong-hapo na to. His mouth is wide open. He's not throwing any punches. Yun, tumama. Again, that left hook coming from Muiso.
Step back! Hey!
And that's the end of round number 2. Again, makikita natin, oh, that's a nasty cut. That's a very, very bad cut over the right eye ni Perez. At ito po ang ating punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Pale Pilsen. The right hand scored by Muiso. Watch it here again. There's that right hand and then the left. The combination scored by Muiso. And that's the punch of the round. Actually, punches of the round. Kasi ang ganda ng combination na binitawan ni Muiso, whom you see on your screens. And some slow-mo highlights there of the previous round. That right hand scored by Muiso. Watch it now. May sugod na dito si Perez and then Muiso connecting with that sweeping left hand. Round number 3, scheduled for 4. Sa tingin natin, lamang na lamang na dito si Muiso. Perez slowing down in round towards the latter part of round number 2. Again, the southpaw si Muiso. throwing his punches, leading off with the right hand. And Perez looking to close the gap so he can throw his big bombs. Magaling din umiwas si Moiso. Moiso scoring with punches to the head. But Perez is undaunted. He's unfazed. Tinatamaan si Perez pero natatanggap na yung suntok ni Moiso. Taking a lot of punishment but he's still coming forward and he loses his balance. He's hell-bent to be able to score a knockout. Mukhang nakontrol yata ng corner ni Perez yung sugat. Wala nang dugong lumalabas sa kanyang sugat. And again, Perez throwing whatever he can. His mouth is wide open. He's coming forward. And he got hit that time with the right hand galing kay Moiso. So, aggressiveness in favor of Perez. Pero in terms of connectivity, in terms of landing rate, ba si Moiso, lamang na lamang dito. Oh, nice left hand coming from Moiso. That's through the defense ni Perez. And again, Perez throwing those haymakers. And again, throwing whatever he can throw. Perez is looking to score a big one. And he landed a big one earlier. But again, yung countering style ni Moiso, catching Perez. As Perez comes in, siya nasusuntok dito. And again, Perez on the attack. Look at him. He's loading up. He's putting a lot of force behind his punches. Parang bulldog ito si Perez. The way he's moving in, devil may care. Matibay dito. Moiso trying to keep his wits together, trying to stay composed. Ang daming nipis dito ni Perez, but he continues to charge in. Okay lang sa kanya kung masuntok siya. What a thrilling third round that was. And look at Perez, his arms draped along the ropes. Hapang-hapo na ito, and there's blood coming out of that cut once more. John Paul Perez versus Franz Carl Moiso, first fight ng ating blow-by-blow presentation here. Oh, look at that combination coming from Moiso. But then, walang tigil ito si Perez. Nasusuntok siya pero sugod pa rin ang sugod. You have to give it to Perez in terms of heart. Ang tapang nito ni Perez, matibay. Lahat na ng suntok ni Moiso, tinatanggap niya. Pero ito pa siya. Look at the way he loads up. Oh, what a punch. First, the left hand to the chin, and then the right hand to the jaw. Yun. Left hook. Tapos tapo. A right hand coming from Moiso. Both solid blows. But Perez is not phased. Grabe ang puso nitong boksingero na to. This is the kind of action that you see on Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow. Ito, nag-akapa na naman yung dalawa. That was a scene before this fight started. Tumama doon yung kaliwa ni Perez. And there he goes again. Perez is giving it all he's got. That has been his style. Talagang agresibo ito si Perez. At saka nakakatanggap ng suntok. Kita mo, bukang-bukang bibig. Pero ganyan pa rin siya. Lumalaban, sumusuntok, tumatanggap. Wow! Moiso. Parang tinatawanan niya dito si Perez because he's saying that desperate na to si Perez. Wow, I think there's a little blood coming out of the mouth of Perez as well. Warrior ito si Perez. Sobra. And then look at him swinging wildly. Tinamaan yata siya sa batok ng lupid. Hindi ng suntok. Oh, nice shot coming from Moiso. And very clearly si Perez, dinidikitan niya si Moiso to be able to close the gap. Oh, dalawa silang nahulog. along the ropes. And I think they're going to be very slow to get up because they are both so tired. Ito, timeout daw. Sabi ng ating referee. Wow, duguan na ito si Perez. But what a fight. What a gladiator this guy is. And Jericho Cruz rather. Nandito po sa ating venue. Nanonood. Meron po siyang boksingero coming from the Cruz Training Ground Gym in Las Piñas. Yan po ang stable ni Jericho Cruz. We all know him to be... oh, look at this. Look at the blood coming out of that cut. Hindi po tinitigil ito ng referee. Pinatutuloy niya. But there's less than a minute to go here in this fight. And that's the reason why the referee just letting the fighters go. Again, pagpasok. Dali. Tumama doon yung kanan ni Perez. And bumagsak dito. Si Moiso. Bibilangan ba to? Bibilangan. Was it a slip? Hapong-hapon din si Moiso. Oh, is this a slip? Anong ruling ng referee? It looks like the ruling is a slip. And here comes Perez. He's going for the kill. Moiso is almost out on his feet. And Perez is just giving it all he's got. Bumagsak din si Moiso. Pero hindi po binilangan ng ating referee. He ruled it a slip. Bumagsak na naman! Si Moiso. Now this is not a good sign because Moiso is killing time. Hindi po pwede yan. This is a disadvantage to Perez. And dalawang beses po bumagsak. Nakusang bumagsak si Moiso. He should be given a warning by the referee. Hindi po pwede yan. But now, the fight is over. And Moiso drops to the canvas. He drops to the canvas. I hope he's okay. He has collapsed. Hapong-hapunan din ito si Moiso. Oh my gosh. Look at him. He's being helped over to his corner. And now his gloves are being removed from his hands. Watch po kung ano nangyari dito. Tumama po yung kanan at yung kanan ni Perez. Tumama din yung kaliwa. Perez was on the attack right here. That was a big punch. And then a right straight coming from Perez. And there he goes, hammering away. Yan po ang ating punch of the round. Now he's being administered oxygen, trying to catch his breath. Now we have medics here. And ako sa tingin ko dapat pinigil na ito eh. Because of the cut. And that was a big punch scored there by Perez. Watch it here again. Ito, buelong-belo. And reeling backwards was Moiso. It should be interesting to find out how the judges are going to score this. Again, oxygen is being administered. So ang ating Games and Amusements Board fully prepared. Meron po tayong ambulansya dito. Meron po tayong stretcher. We have doctors on hand to make sure that everyone is okay. Again, in round number 4, dalawang beses pong kusang bumagsak si Moiso. And some of the boxing fans watching here. And I thought the referee should have given a warning to Moiso. Hindi pa pwede yung you go down and then try to kill time. Dapat nabigyan ng warning. And if it had happened a third time, he could have been disqualified. Okay, ito po si ring announcer Bobby Mandahar.
We have a winner by unanimous decision. The winner, Franz Carl Moiso.
Si Moiso po ang nanalo, but I'm not sure if he's okay. He's being helped up. I hope he doesn't collapse again. He's being helped back to his corner. And he's almost out on his feet. Remember, professional debut po ito ni Moiso at Perez. He won the fight, but he's almost out on his feet. He needs to be helped down from the ring. Ito,
He's really groggy and he has to sit down. Okay, he's asking for oxygen, and I'm sure our Games and Amusements Board medical staff will be around to administer to him, maybe providing some smelling salts. Okay po, dyan nagtatapos ang ating unang laban. Muiso over Perez by unanimous decision.